Hello, good morning. I'm Sounds from Grace. All right, a quick one. Instead of worrying about that situation, how about you convert your worries to into prayers, right? That's essentially what the Bible tells us in Philippians chapter 4 verses, right? Be anxious for nothing, but in everything, by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known unto God. Right? Before you are taken so to the today, cross of Calvary. The whole point is for we to have life. Convert your worries to prayers. Instead of worrying, start praying. Start talking to God more about it. Right? And just watch what happens after. God bless you.